see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Hey y'all, VAUGHNTWINS here.
I'm Kiana.
And I'm Kenya.
And welcome back to our channel where we bring to you anything related to beauty, you guys.
Yes.
So stay tuned for that video because we are going to update you on our channel and the direction that we're going with it. But today,
before we go ahead and proceed to begin to divulge all of the information in terms of these box braids, we do want to remind you that if you have not subscribed to our channel already, go on ahead and click the subscribe button.
Click.
Also, y'all, click the bell so that you're notified whenever Kiana and I post a new video. So, without further ado, we're gonna go on ahead and get right on into it.
Let's get it. Let's go, y'all. Kenya and I got our braids done 2 weeks ago?
About 2 weeks ago, yes.
So 2 weeks ago by a friend of ours, so make sure to leave her information down below.
In the description box,
yeah. She's really, really good and she's really cool. So if any of you all are in the Dallas, Texas area, then you all can hit her up.
Yeah.
Now, I actually got these braids because Kenya had hers first. If you all
tuned into the Nordstrom haul video, you'll see that I have braids just like this. This is my second install here, so
and this is my first. Also, tune into our Instagram page. Follow us. It's at VAUGHNTWINS because Kenya has these looks, this look right here of her in the braids. And so I got them obviously because they were cute on her, so I was like, they're cute on me.
Right.
Alright, so it took about 5 hours for Tasha to do our hair.
Yeah.
I think I came like maybe on a Saturday or something like that.
I came when I got off of work. And got them done.
Yeah. So again, we've had them in for about 2 weeks now. And we intend to keep them for no longer than 4 weeks. 1 month max, you guys.
Yeah, now one thing that I will tell you is after I took my last install out, my hair growth was crazy, y'all.
Was it?
Like, y'all, yes. I'm at BBL now. Like, I'm at bra strap length. I'm at bra strap length now. So one thing that I will say about Tasha is, which is the girl that did our braids, is she has like anointed hands. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys, because my hair grew so much. So if you guys are not in the Dallas, Texas area, or in the North Dallas area rather, and you don't want to go to Tasha, if you're somewhere else, just make sure that you find a braider that's not going to rip your hair out.
For real.
It's not going to be like too harsh or like pulling your edges or whatnot, because that can cause a lot of damage. And these are meant to be protective styles.
Exactly.
And you want to protect your hair. You don't want to take the braids out or take any style out for that matter, and then you end up with more damage than you had before you put them in.
That's right.
So that's just a tip for y'all.
So the type of hair that Kenya and I have in our head is the Kanekalon synthetic hair. We'll make sure to insert a picture.
We'll include the link in the description box below as well.
Yeah,
but it's actually the kind that you can dip in hot water.
Now, Kenya and I work out
religiously.
Well, Kenya works out religiously. Actually, stay tuned for that, our fitness update video, because I've not really been to the gym this year at all, really. But I just got back into the gym. Kenya's been working out religiously with this hairstyle. And I'll say that it's pretty simple to work out.
It is,
with the hair.
It's short.
It's short. They're not real heavy.
Right.
Kenya and I just use like one of these little bands. Right here. And we just literally put it around our head. And it just keeps the braids off of our hair completely.
Off of our face.
Off of our face, thank you.
It keeps it really in place. And then besides that, when I go to the gym, I'll also use one of these little hair tie things.
Oh yeah, we both do. We love these things.
Yeah.
We got them from Five Below. Sorry here.
That's okay.
I didn't mean to snatch it from you.
But yeah, so we use these. So get these because, I mean, they can expand large enough to be able to pull the braids back and keep them off of your face.
And then also, when we go to sleep at night, we put one of those bonnets.
A large bonnet.
A large bonnet. The one that has like the long tail in the back. Like for people who have dreads in their hair.
Right.
And it has like the long tail. So we use that because we don't want the braids to get all bended up all crazy and stuff, which they kind of did already anyways. So yeah. So we use that.
As far as accessories are concerned, I'm sure you guys can see like the little gold things that we have in our hair. It's these right here. We just literally picked them up from our local beauty supply store. So this is it. I hope you all can see that. If not, I'll try and insert a picture of it. But then we have that, and then we also have the little gold string in our in a couple of our braids as well. And we love it because it individualizes our look. You know,
not really, because
from everybody else's. No, from everybody else that has box braids.
True.
You know, it just gives it its own individuality.
That's true. And Kenya and I have like one little string thing right here. Kenya has two, and I wanted to put another one in mine when I saw hers. But I was like, well, I'm gonna let her be an individual. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
My mother's always like, you're your own person.
Right.
So I was like, I want to
Even though
be
we
your own
got the
person.
same face.
Yeah, but I love it though, yeah, because it creates so much character.
It does, yeah.
Now, Kenya and I left out our edges with this hairstyle, and I'm going to show you, well, we both can show you, like, it's like crazy how much of our edges we left out, y'all. Like, look.
A whole lot.
I left out more than Kenya did.
We are not going to be trying to join the alopecia gang.
Hello.
Okay? We ain't about the
Traction
alopecia life.
hello.
Ain't about it.
Not about it, because let me tell you, Kenya and I were getting crochet braids in our hair last year religiously, and we were going to this African shop in Irving. I wish I knew the name because I would put you on
snatch
blast.
those edges.
Anyways, exactly. We went in there, hair full of edges. Came out, no edges, you guys. We don't want any hairstyles that is going to jeopardize the edges of our hair. You guys know that it's the most sensitive part of your hair, you guys, so you have to protect them. So as y'all can see, again, I left out a lot of hair, and I don't even care. I don't care how it looks.
So with that being said, we gel down our baby hairs in the morning, and y'all, I don't tie it down just because I feel like that's too much. My baby hairs will stay down because they're like medium length. They're not baby hairs. My baby hairs are like mid-length hairs.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
So and then Kiana's Kiana don't have baby hairs. Kiana got like 4 long strands where the baby hairs are supposed to be because she gets her ends clipped like
ends.
Yeah.
Right.
It's crazy. It looks crazy. She don't have baby hair.
It looks crazy.
She's got long hair, like from the start of her head all the way to the nape of her neck. She just has long hair. Anyway, this is what we use. We use Wetline Extreme Gel. This you can pick this up from Target. We use this to lay down our baby hairs along with this brush here, which is what we picked up from Amazon. And we'll make sure that we include the link.
Supply store.
Oh, okay. I got mine from Amazon.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll make sure that we include the link to both of these down below in the description box.
Yes. So.
Oh, wait. The good thing about it is that this don't flake up.
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? And a great tip that Kenya taught me is just make sure, because you know some gels have like alcohol in them and they can be really drying. So Kenya washes her edges literally with shampoo and conditioner every single night. So that's something that's been really, really helping me keep my edges intact, keep the integrity of our edges,
and so that you won't have gel buildup.
You
know, and not only that, but I don't know if you guys notice. When your hair gets dirty, it doesn't lay very well.
Yeah,
so
that's true.
If you want to lay your baby hairs down every day, you got to make sure your hair's clean. You know, so
that's right.
We just wash our hair every day. I mean, our edges. Yeah.
Now, for our scalp has been in really, really great health lately, and this is since Kenya and I have started the rice water challenge.
Ooh, that rice water.
So Kenya and I,
the onion water.
So I've not done the onion water. Kenya, I'm sure we'll make another video. We'll explain that whole process.
If you guys want to know my experience using onion water, make sure you comment down below, and I'll bring it to you. Onion juice.
Yeah, leave it down below. And let us know. But Kenya and I have always had really, really, really bad dandruff, and it's to the point to where like it's embarrassing.
Yeah, but I mean, we have dry skin, dry scalp, we have eczema, so
it comes with the territory.
Yeah.
But since we started the rice water, y'all,
another level. Like no flakes,
no dandruff.
We can go a month without washing our hair. Not that we ever would choose to, but with the braids, obviously you can't wash your hair like you want to. And so it enables us to be able to keep braids in or keep protective styles in our hair a lot longer because we don't have to worry about, you know, dandruff builds up.
Exactly. And so it's been 2 weeks in and my scalp has gotten a little bit itchy only because I just started going to the gym again. And so I'll just take some oil and just, you know, rub it across my scalp a little bit and that's it. But as far as flakes and stuff, we have not experienced that. We probably will start experiencing into the 3rd or the 4th week. By that time, these are going to be gone anyway.
Yeah.
And we'll have another protective style in. So, yeah. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
No. Guys, if you guys are interested in getting these box braids, man, we say do it. Seriously, because they're lightweight.
Super cute.
Super cute. We don't have to worry about them tugging on our hair again because they're lightweight. And it's just a good protective style, especially for the summertime because they're not heavy. Again, they're lightweight. How many times have I said that? Like 3 times already?
Getting you faint.
Giddy up, secure the back, yeah, get the buffs. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, let us know what other videos you'd like to see down below. And also comment if you'd like Kenya to, again, share her onion juice treatment or experience that she's done on her hair. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for our next video, guys. Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.